through the previous videos of polynomials, and we have come with an example 2.2, right? So today we will be dealing with a new topic, that is division algorithm for polynomials, right? So this word is not new for you. This is very much well known to you. How? We have done it in class 9. Okay, so in class 9th, what we have done, we have divided a quadratic polynomial with a linear polynomial, right? So we were dividing quadratic polynomial with a linear polynomial. Okay, so here also, yes, the same process we will be continuing of division, what we have learned it in class 9. But here we will be dividing a cubic polynomial with a quadratic polynomial. Now children, the division algorithm is a base to solve the upcoming questions, right? So before you deal with this important question, right, we have to know how to divide two polynomials, right? That is how to divide a cubic polynomial or biquadratic polynomial, yes, with any other degree. For example, any lower degree. Okay, now it is very less chance that you will be given the direct question of verify division algorithm by dividing the two polynomials. Yes, but in other way it will be asked to find the zeros for the given polynomial. Okay, so to know the zeros, we should know about division algorithm. Okay, so let me again explain you. Yes, the process of division algorithm. That's the same process that we have done for class 9th. Okay, but here what we are doing, we are just taking the cubic polynomial and we are dividing it by a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so let us start this. So my given polynomial is 3x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 5. I am dividing it with, now my given quadratic polynomial is 1 plus 2x plus x squared. Before we write that directly there, we have to just arrange with the highest power. What is my highest power? My highest power is x square plus 2x plus 1. So children, you have to remember this very carefully. Okay. So you have to arrange, if it is not arranged, you have to arrange it while dividing. Okay, here also you can see that the highest power is 3. Next it is 2. Next it is 1. So it is all properly done. So we need not arrange anywhere. Okay, here also it is 2, 1 and x to the power 0, 0. Okay, so this is also arranged. No. Now what is my first step? The first step is that you have to divide the first term. Now just look in. So you have to look into the terms of the dividend. So my dividend here is 3x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 5. What is this? This is my divisor. What is the divisor here? X squared plus 2x plus 1. So now we have to see the number of terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there in dividend. So you will take the first term of the dividend. What is my first term of the dividend here? 3x squared. So 3x cube. So 3x cube upon, what is the first term of the divisor? The first term of the divisor is x square. So divided by x square. So x square and here 1x square will get cancelled. So we will be left with only 3x. That 3x you will be writing it up in the question. Yes, done. I hope you have understood. So what is my first step? Dividing the first term of the dividend upon first term of the divisor. Yes, cancelling out to get the term. That term you are going to write in the question. Now, second step is to multiply this question with all the terms of the divisor. Okay, so first 3x into x square will get 3x cube, the same term. Okay, next 3x into 2x. 3 into 2 is 6. X into x is x square. So you will get here 6x square. So plus 6x square. Next, 3x into 1 is nothing but 3x. So plus 3x. So we will subtract it. So change the sign. So 3x cube will get cancelled. Here it is 1. Nothing is there means 1. So minus 6 plus 1 will give you minus 5. So minus 5. What is the variable here? X square. So minus 5x square here. Minus 3 plus 2 will give you minus 1. So minus 1, the variable here is x, and down 5 will come down. Okay, so this we got the remainder. Now we will check the degree of the remainder. The degree of the remainder here is 2, which is equal to the degree of the divisor. So again the process will continue. The division process will continue. Okay, so again we will come back to the first process that we have done. What is my first process? First term of the remainder, okay, divided by first term of the divisor. So again I will do one thing. First term of the remainder. The first term of the remainder is minus 5x square upon first term of the divisor is x square. So x square cancelled and you will get back minus 5. We will put it in the quotient. Okay. Now this minus 5 will be multiplied to the each term of the divisor. Okay. So minus 5 into x square, what will you get? Minus 5x square. Minus 5 into 2x will give you minus 10x. Minus 10x. Again minus 5 into 1 will give you minus 5. So again you will change the sign. Plus, plus, plus. So minus 5x square plus 5x square cancelled. Plus 10 minus 1 will give you 9x. Plus 5 will give you plus 10. So now you will check that 9x plus 1 is the remainder degree. What is the degree of the variable x? 1, which is less than the degree of the divisor. Yes. So we will stop the process of division here. So this is how we are going for division algorithm. Yes. So how you are dividing a cubic polynomial with the quadratic polynomial.
So let's see the definition for division algorithm for polynomials, which states that if p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where the remainder r of x is equal to 0 or the degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Or in other way we can say dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
I hope you have understood till here. Yes, please go through the video again and again to see the division process. Okay. So just I will doing one more problem with you. Okay. So let us see one more simple division algorithm. So children, here is one more example. So here this is a biquadratic polynomial, that is the degree of the polynomial is 4, highest degree. Okay. And to this is a quadratic polynomial. So we are dividing the biquadratic polynomial with a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now we will just use the simple steps that we have learned. What is my first step? We have to check whether they are properly arranged or not. Yes. So here after 4, highest power 4, it is 3, 2, 1, 0. So it is all done. Here also 2, 1, 0 done. Okay. Now the first step is you have to divide the first term of the dividend. What is the first term of the dividend? 4x to the power 4. Then we will divide it with the first term of the divisor, that is upon x square. So x square and x square will get cancelled. I will be left with 4x square. So that 4x square you will be writing up at the quotient. Okay, now this term you will be multiplying with the each term of the divisor. So now 4x square and x square will give you 4x to the power 4 plus into plus plus 4 into 2 8 x square into x you will get x cube. Okay, 4 in plus into minus, here you will get minus 4 into 3, it is nothing but 12. So 12x square. Okay, now change the sign. So here it is plus, means we will change it to minus, minus, plus. So 4x cube, 4x to the power 4, this both will get cancelled. Here minus 8 plus 2 will give you minus 6. So minus 6x cube plus 12 minus 2 will give you plus 10 x square. And what are the remaining terms? Plus x minus 1 will bring it down. Okay. Now you will check the highest power of the remainder. Yes, the highest power of the remainder variable is 3. So degree of this remainder is 3, which is greater than the degree of the divisor. Yes, that is 2. So again we will continue the process of division. So the second step is nothing but first step of the remainder. First term of the remainder divided by first term of the divisor. So minus 6x cube divided by x square. Minus 6x cube divided by x square. So x square and x square will get cancelled and we will be left with minus 6x. Okay, minus 6x. So we will put here. So we will put minus 6x to the quotient. Okay. Now this minus 6 will be multiplied to each term of the divisor. So minus 6 into x square you will get minus 6x cube. Minus 6 into plus 2x will get minus 12x square. Okay. Minus 6 into minus 3 will get minus into minus is plus. 6 into 3 will give you 18x. Okay. 18x. Now we will change the sign. Plus, plus, minus. So these both will get cancelled. Plus 10 plus 12 will give you plus 22 x square. Okay. Minus 18 plus x will give you minus 17x and remaining is minus 1. Okay. I hope you have understood. So minus 22, sorry, plus 22x square minus 17x minus 1. Now I can check the degree of the remainder. The degree of the remainder is 2, which is equal to the degree of the divisor. So again we will continue the process of division. So again we will take the first term of the remainder here. First term of the remainder is what? 22x square upon first term of the divisor. First term of the divisor is x square. So x square cancelled. You will be getting plus 22 to the quotient. Okay. Now this 22 we will multiply to each term of the divisor. So what will I get? Plus 22x square. Here I will get 44. Okay. Plus 44x. And here I will get minus. Okay. 66. Change the sign. Minus, minus, plus. These two got cancelled. Okay. Now minus 17 minus 44. We will add. 7 plus 4 will give you 11. 11. Okay. So 4, 5, 6 minus 61x. Okay. And this we will subtract. Plus 66 minus 1 will give you plus 65. Okay. Plus 65. So my remainder is minus 61x plus 65. Okay. So now we will check the degree. Here the degree of remainder is 1 and here it is 2. So it is lesser. Degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor. So we'll stop the process of division. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Yes. So please go through the video again and again to understand this concept, because without learning this concept you will not be able to do the questions related to it. The most important thing is the questions, and these questions are very important for the board exam. Okay. So thank you.